In my previous video, I had shown you how to disassemble WD MyBook Live NAS properly. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble all the parts together in a way that everything works well as intended. First of all, we need to connect this chipset to the SATA port of the hard disk. Oh wait. Before connecting, we need to place this plastic between them. And now the chipset is to be connected. Now we have to place these screws at their due position and tighten them. Now apply the side bracket as shown on the Ethernet port side and then put the hard disk together in the tin compartment. And then tighten the screws. Now on this side also we have to attach the bracket and tighten it. And now you must not forget to put the screw underneath this rubber here. Now let's apply the rubber attachment on all four corners. All done. Now we have to put it in the NAS compartment gently without breaking anything and ensuring that the Ethernet port sticks in its place at the back. It's not easy to get this done as you see in this video, but have patience. So now we are almost ready to put it back in its outer cover. And yeah, let's not forget to put this rubber and LED notification light. Ensure that rubber sticks well. Put the LED light as shown. And now we just have to slide the outer cover in. Ensure that it fits from all sides and no side is left exposed. Done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.